My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to slice up this melon. Now, the first thing you want to do is pick a good melon. When you go to the grocery store, on the shelf, you're going to see melons that are rock hard. They were just put out. And you're going to see some melons that are like really, really mushy. You want to stay away from those too. The goal is to find something that has a little bit of softness to it, right? But also smells nice and sweet, okay? Once you find that, bring it home, and we are gonna take this round fruit and make it flat so it is easier to cut. The first thing we're gonna do is take our knife with control and support, and we're gonna use our bear claw to protect our fingers. Now, what I like to do is chop the bottom and the top off of the melon to make it nice and flat. The next thing we do is slice on the top of the melon and slice around the whole thing in a smooth and controlled way. So start here, follow that last line that you made, turn the fruit, and keep slicing. There we go. Just keep on slicing. We'll get these out of the way. Keep slicing, keep your knife in the same place. So we're slicing around just like that until you complete all the way around the fruit. All right, so this looks really good. The next thing we're gonna do is slice right down the middle. There we go, you can see the seeds on the inside. We're gonna place this down, slice one more time so we have quarters. All right, we're gonna move these over to the side. Now we're gonna turn this around and take our knife at a 45-degree angle, slice right above those seeds, okay? So we have a clean piece of melon. Now there's a couple of bites on both sides that we can slice out, and you can have these for a little snack if you like, but we are gonna compost this over here, and we will continue this process with the remainder of the fruit. If you get a couple of seeds, you can just take it and clean it out with your fingers, or you can use a spoon. All right, that looks really, really good. Let's move these over here. Now I'm gonna teach you how to slice and then dice this melon. So we're gonna place this downward, and I'm gonna make like spears, something you can serve at breakfast time that people can just pick up. So we're gonna take some slices and do maybe 1/2-inch slices along the length of that melon so that you have something that looks like this. And you can present that really nicely. Up and down like that. Kind of spread it out. Make it look really beautiful. That looks nice. Next up, we are gonna do some dice of melon. So what I like to do is, again, we're gonna slice down through that melon, making the cuts about 3/4 of an inch thick, just like this. Turn it again, and make our cuts the same size. And then you have a dice of melon that people will really enjoy. And we can do it one extra way if you like. Those spears look really, really cool. But let's just clean this up. We're gonna slice those seeds out, and we are gonna slice it across, just like that. And then you can spread those out as well to get a nice presentation. You can eat this fresh. You can throw it in the fridge. It'll keep about maybe 2 days in the refrigerator, or you can freeze it. Melon is a great way to get the day started for a snack, for part of your meal, or to throw in as an ingredient to one of your many recipes that you're gonna prepare. My name's Chef Egg, and that's how you slice up a melon.